Well, hello, stars. It's the mermaid. It is Sunday. I hope everyone is doing well. I have a little bit of a story for y'all. I was downstairs preparing some espresso. I was getting ready to put some milk into my coffee, but I just reached in the fridge and the container felt a little different. My intuition said, take a look at it, and sure enough, it was not the one I wanted. I put it back and then I selected the correct one. And that is exactly what happened um, in divine timing on a court case where people were planning on stealing from me, right? The judge who was presiding over that case, he had a nudging feeling something was off. And they were doing magic on this man to rush him, to get him to sign off. I was not even physically present at this presiding, which is bizarre. He found that weird. They said they couldn't find me. They said I was on drugs under an underpass. I beg your pardon, moi, and you will pay for those lies and defamation. But that judge himself used his intuition. He says, I'm going to pause and I will give my final, whatever, um, decision, you know. And so there was a stay in the case. Not only was there a stay in the case, but the case, the original paperwork presented was thrown out. Um, and they weren't able to take it because the judge looked at it. It was first of all, it was doctored documents that were presented. um and that is too bad. That is too bad that people are so insistent on stealing from other people. My Apache grandfather has always protected me. And I've been visited more and more by my lovely mother in the spirit world. Her name is Sarah. My mother, Sarah, who was half African American and half Apache, 50-50 there, she, she was sacrificed. She was murdered. Um, and my father, he was a bit lustful, let's be honest. If my father, Kufu, from Ghana, if he had paid attention, he would have known that he knew his mom was evil and she was full of herself, but he didn't think that she would take it that far to kill his wife, and to murder his child. And so my father thought that he was told that mother and baby died. Um, my grandmother, I don't want to call her that, but Kofu's mother wanted to do a twofer. She wanted to sacrifice my mother and she wanted to sacrifice me. She wasn't able to kill me, so she knew well, she knew that I was a seer and a powerful seer, and she wanted to kill me before I got old enough and I could take her down. Um, and I had to defeat her spiritually, and that is why I am the matriarch on my father's side. You know, Anywho, long story short, use your intuition. I know what my real birth date is. I know where I was born. I know I was not born on an island. I know time and place of my birth. I am the child of Kofu and Sarah. I know exactly who I am. And I am 100% what? Worry free because I walk with God. Don't let anybody, alive or dead, influence you and tell you who you are and what you need. Oh, you should go to college. Oh, he looks nice. Or she's a nice young lady. Oh, this would be a good car for you. Oh, this is a good area for you to live in. Make your own decisions and have a wonderful day. And most of all, enjoy coffee. Take care.